Hi everyone, my name is Rick MacDermid with Senior Solutions Group. I've been helping people since 1995 with health and wealth planning, and I use a process that's individualized. Everyone's different. I love working with people. We have offices here in Yakima, Washington, Walla Walla, Washington, as well as Bothell, Washington. So we're local, we have local roots, but we have nationwide service. So take a few minutes to see what others are saying about our process.
So Rick has handled just about all of my finances and insurance since I've kind of moved into retirement age, and I just really appreciate that. It's made life easy on me.
Rick set the whole process up, and I have no real understanding of insurance and those things, but he was a real lifesaver to me in that.
We appreciate the fact that he's here for us, because information is given to me often and it lasts a very short time, and I go home and I say, I don't remember what this was really all about, but a phone call away and we can get her back again.
He does it all. We don't know what we're doing with insurance, and we trust him totally.
One of the things that I did like working with Rick was that he was not only friendly to us and receptive to our questions, but he was detailed in his explanations.
I would highly recommend and refer clients to Rick simply because of the ease of connection, and he establishes rapport quickly, easily, knows a lot of people in our community, and often connected in some way, shape, or form.
I have nothing else to say except I am one pleased customer.
Thank you for watching. I am privileged to work with a great team of people here at Senior Solutions Group. We'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Feel free to contact us. Our consultations are always free. We never charge a fee. The phone number is listed below. Look forward to talking with you.